Looking to keep your Dyson V15 Detect charged and neatly stored? In this video, I will walk you through the easy step-by-step installation of the wall mount charging dock. Say goodbye to clutter and keep your vacuum ready to go at all times. Let's get started. Some of the tools that you will need to get this job done is a drill bit, Phillips screwdriver, level, measuring tape, pencil, wall anchors and screws, and a stud finder. With these tools ready, let's get started on the installation, and welcome to MG Factor. Few important tips while you do the installation. Choose the right location. Install near a power outlet and easy charging. Find a stud for extra support. Use a stud finder for a stronger hold, especially if mounting on drywall. Use a level. Ensure the dock is straight before drilling holes. Pre-drill small holes if needed. Helps prevent wall damage and makes screwing easier. Check cord length. Make sure the charging cord reaches the outlet without strain. Securely fasten your screws to avoid over-tightening to prevent cracking or stripping. Last but not the least, test the dock. Ensure the vacuum clicks in and charges properly before finishing. Following these tips for a smooth and steady installation. And that's all. Now your Dyson V15 Detect is securely mounted and ready to charge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more DIY tips. Let me know in the comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.